Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new iPad. I got the cheapest version, which is the iPad 9th generation, the Wi-Fi one, and 64 gigabytes. So yeah, I got the one in silver in case you guys are wondering, but I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off and then I'll open it for you guys. So I just took the plastic off the box. Here she is. I'm so excited and so nervous. How the heck? Oh, here we go. I was like, how do you get this off? Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna have to come back again. So here's the iPad. The iPad's still wrapped up. It comes with a charger, of course, the little sticker manual, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna unwrap this and then show you what she looks like. So this is the iPad. I'm going to turn it on in a second, but this is what she looks like. Yes, I'm so excited to get this whole thing set up. And yeah, that's my little unboxing. Probably a fail, but that's okay. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.